Step-by-step fix guide. Step 1. Check GPU compatibility. DLSS frame generation and multi-frame generation only work on certain RTX cards. DLSS type supported GPUs. DLSS 3 frame generation, RTX 40 series only for 90, 4080, 4070, 4060, etc. DLSS 4 multi-frame generation, RTX 40 series and newer Ada or Blackwell GPUs. DLSS 2, upscaling only, RTX 20 series, 30 series, 40 series. Open quote, if you have GTX or RTX 2030 series, you will not see frame generation, only DLSS super resolution, DLSS 2. Close quote. Step 2, update or roll back NVIDIA drivers. Download this game-ready driver directly from at/s/www.com/download/index.aspx. Please open your app to see this link. 2, if you already have the latest and the option still disappears, roll back to a known stable version like 552.44 or 551.86. 3, avoid the NVIDIA app beta for now. Use the classic control panel installer. Step 3. Perform a clean driver reinstall. This fixes most DLSS missing problems. 1. Download display driver uninstaller ddu ps/www.wagnerdsoft.com/. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Boot into safe mode. 3. Run DDU clean and restart for NVIDIA. 4. After reboot, reinstall the driver manually. Choose custom clean installation. Install only graphics driver, PhysX system software. Skip GeForce experience. Telemetry. Step 4. Enable DLSS manually in config. If the setting is hidden but supported, 1. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Open with Notepad. 3. Find or add. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Save and set the file to read only. 5. Launch the game. Step 5. Verify game files, EA apps, Steam, Epic, right-click, repair, or verify integrity of game files. This restores missing DLLs like, you can see the code in our conversation history. If they're missing, Battlefield 6 won't show frame gen. Step 6. Disable conflicting features. Disable these in-game or in NVIDIA control panel. VSync, DLAA, cannot coexist with DLSS frame gen, ray reconstruction if experimental, reflex boost, toggle off once to refresh menu. Step 7. Re-enable via NVIDIA control panel. 1. Open NVIDIA control panel, manage 3D settings, program settings. 2. Add Battlefield 6.exe manually. 3. Set DLSS frame generation on, if available, low latency mode, ultra, power management mode, prefer maximum performance. 4. Apply and restart the game. Step 8. Wait for patch if still missing. EA confirmed the DLSS, DLAA frame gen options were bugged in early builds and will return in updates. Keep Battlefield 6 fully updated. Missing menu options will automatically appear once patched. Quick recap. RTX 40 series required for frame gen clean reinstall drivers with DDU. Check prof save profile for hidden toggles. Repair game files to restore DLSS DLLs. Disable conflicts, DLAA VSync. Wait for EA patch if it's a known build bug. Would you like me to list the exact